All right, when you get around to replacing the clutch plates in one of these Honda 300 engines, this is the Honda CRF300L we have here. They're all very similar. I think the Honda Rebel 300 uses this clutch as well. It's the slipper style clutch. There's 3 different types of fiber plates and 2 different types of steel plates that go in a specific order. So it's a little bit confusing. Honda only sells this as a kit. I don't know what the aftermarket options are, but they sell it in a kit, so you get them all. Just my tip here is when you open the initial package and get these clutch plates out, leave these other ones. They're all individually wrapped in plastic, so leave those in there till you're ready to install them. And if you want to go another step like I did, I actually labeled these A, B, and C, or you can do 1, 2, 3, however you want to do it, just so I can see, and I'll get those out when I'm ready to put them in. So then moving over here to the actual engine, when I took the parts out, as I removed them, you'll get your pressure plate and your first clutch plate out, and I laid these out in order so that way you can see, and then you can take your clutch plates. Like I'll get this is the one I have labeled A, for example. There's 2 of these. They're laid out here. Our new parts are laid out here. So if you get confused, you can clearly see that that is a different color, that is a different size, that is a match. So that's going to be your clutch plate A, and just follow that with the other 2 types of plates, because you got your thicker steels and your 2 bigger fiber plates in the middle, and then you got this different colored fiber plate that's your second plate to go in. So just laying them out in order as the new parts come out and the old parts come out of the engine, instead of like I've done, just get all your new parts out, take them out of the packages, set them all out, and then they're kind of mixed up. This is kind of an odd setup of clutch plates, so just keeping them in order is the point here, to save you some confusion. And should you get confused after watching this video, just let me know. We'll have our repair manual up soon. We'll have a link to that, or you can ask me a question and I'll be glad to help you out.